Hi, good morning dear boys. This class we are going to discuss about the properties and testing of lubricants in the course Automotive Fuels and Lubricants, which is for third year 5th semester automobile students. In this, you know what is lubricant. Lubricants are needed to avoid friction, and the lubricants are needed to give longer life to the engines. Lubricants are needed to improve the performance of the engines or vehicles. That lubricants are having lot of properties such that viscosity index, pour point, flash point, fire point, total base number, that is TBN, total acid number, TAN. Let us discuss each and everything in detail. The property viscosity indicates the measure a lubricant's resistance to flow, determining its ability to form lubricating film under specific condition, which means that viscosity is the property which resists or allows a fluid to flow. If the viscosity of the fluid is very less, then the flowing ability of the fluid will be more. And if the viscosity is more, then the flowing ability of the fluid will be less. Here in the picture, we are indicating the water as well as honey. The viscosity of the water is very less and the viscosity of the honey is little more than the viscosity of the water. The water flows fastly when compared to honey. Here, the importance of the viscosity has been mentioned, and the importance ensures proper lubrication at operating temperatures. Too low viscosity leads to material contact, while too high viscosity increases the energy loss, which means that if the viscosity is very low, then the contact between the surfaces will be easier. When the metal to metal contact occurs, then there is a lot of chances for friction. To avoid friction, there must be a thin layer in the form of viscosity. So the viscosity should not be either low or high. While it is too high, then the energy will be lost. There are two types of viscosity. One is kinematic viscosity, the other one is dynamic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity is not involving the forces, whereas the dynamic viscosity needs forces for the movement. There are some factors affecting the viscosity or temperature, pressure as well as the shear rate. These three are the important factors affecting the viscosity. The second property is viscosity index. The definition for viscosity index is the index which indicates how the viscosity changes with temperature. If the viscosity index is higher, then the viscosity change across the temperature range is less. The graph indicates when the temperature is high, the viscosity index will also be high. The importance of viscosity index is the critical for applications with wide temperature variation. For example, for the automotive engines, viscosity index plays major role. When the vehicle is in cold temperature, the viscosity index plays major role. So viscosity as well as the viscosity index are the major role of the lubricant property. Let us see the remaining properties in the next class. Thank you so much.